Hi there, welcome to the Uke Stuff channel, and welcome to this tutorial for the play-along videos of Fearless Pirate, which is from the Just Dance game series. It's also known as Whip Jamboree. It turns out that one of my colleagues in my school district used this with their students this last fall. They had some like pirate week or something, which was kind of great. And it turns out that right now sea shanties are blowing up on social media and TikTok, so it's a perfect time to add this one to the play along list as well. So what we're going to do in this video, first of all, is we'll look at the chords you need for GCEA ukulele, soprano, concert, tenor. Then we'll look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming patterns. If you want to jump ahead to certain parts of the video, you can use the slider bar down here at the bottom of your YouTube screen, and there should be chapter titles that appear to help you know where you're going. And you can also see those chapters in the description below, along with a lot of other stuff that might be interesting to you. And if you like the chords of this song, you can find the chord chart, or what we call tabs, at ukestuff.info. Ukestuff is a collaborator with this site. All right, let's take a look at the chords you need for GCEA ukulele, soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is the Flight Kids travel ukulele. So really it's the same as the soprano travel ukulele, but it has a long neck. So it's like the long neck concert. So it's like a concert neck and a soprano body, all plastic, but it has the kids strings. This was made especially for education, but it is available to anybody to purchase along with the strings and a special booklet that I helped create. The first chord you need is the D minor chord. It's like an F chord with an extra finger. Then you'll need the C chord. Then you'll need the A7 chord and the G chord. The D chord, however you want to play it. I actually leave my second finger from the G chord right on the third string second fret and put my other two fingers around it like a small G7. Some people play that 1, 2, 3. Some people will use one finger. Some people will cover two strings with one finger and then one finger for the third string. Whatever works for you to get that D chord out. And then finally the A chord. And those are the chords you need for Fearless Pirate on GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. Now let's take a look at the chords you need on baritone DGBE ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. It's the Flight NUB 310 baritone ukulele. Just as a note, the Flight NUB 310 as of early 2021 still comes with GCEA strings. If you want traditional DGBE tuning, you'll have to buy baritone strings and then tune it appropriately for this instrument. All right, the first chord you'll need is the D minor chord. Then you'll need the C chord. Then the A7 chord. It's going to be a bar chord. You cover all four strings with one finger right above the second fret. Then you support with your thumb, but pull against the fretboard to make sure that the strings hit the metal fret. You'll get a nice clear sound. In fact, I did that one without my thumb whatsoever. Then you add your thumb just for a little support. Don't press too hard. And then with your open second finger, play the first string, third fret. That's your A7 chord. Then you have the G chord, the D chord, and then your A chord. And those are the chords you need for Fearless Pirate on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming for the song. I think a standard down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up is going to work great for you throughout the entire song. I know that's simplified, but I think it works. If you hear something different, please feel free to go and play that. There is no right answer. There was no ukulele on the original version of this song. That's why it's called a play along and not a cover. And even if it was a cover, you could make your own cover and do your own pattern. There is no ukulele police that will come knocking at your door asking you to play the right pattern. Keep that in mind. All right, now, as we go through it, just remember where you're strumming. So you generally want to strum where the neck meets the body. That's where you want to strum. So just a simple down, up, down, up. I use my first finger for this. You could use your thumb, you could use a pick, you could use your whole hand, whatever works for you, but try using that first finger because you can get really good control of it, and it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going from D minor to C. 1, 2, and that will get you through the entire song, even the little part that switches to major in the middle. All right, that's all you need to be successful on Fearless Pirate. Thanks for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.